In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register an account in Discord step by step. Whether you want to join gaming communities, connect with friends, or create your own server, the first thing you need is a Discord account. Don't worry if you've never used Discord before, because I'll walk you through everything from the very beginning. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in Discord and press enter. You'll see the search results appear on Google. Look for the official website, which usually says Discord, group chat that's all fun and games. Make sure you're clicking the official Discord website, which is discord.com, to stay safe and avoid any fake sites. Once you're on the Discord homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on Login. Even though we're creating a new account, this is where Discord gives you the option to register. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the login page. Below the login fields, you'll see a small link that says Register. Click on Register to begin creating your new account. Now you'll see the registration form. The first field asks for your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. This is important because Discord may ask you to verify your email later. Next, you'll need to enter a display name. Your display name is the name other people will see when you chat or join servers. You can use your real name, a nickname, or a gaming name, whatever you prefer. After that, Discord will ask you to choose a username. In some cases, it may suggest available usernames for you. You can click on one of the suggested usernames, or you can type your own if the option is available. Make sure it's something you're happy with, because this will be part of your identity on Discord. Next, you'll need to create a password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Avoid using simple passwords that are easy to guess. Then, select your date of birth from the drop-down menus. Discord requires this information to make sure you meet the minimum age requirements for the platform. Choose your correct birth date and double-check that it's accurate. Once you've filled in all the required information, click the Continue button. You may be asked to complete a quick verification step to confirm that you're human. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, Discord might send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, look for the message from Discord, and click the Verify Email button inside that message. This step confirms that your email is valid and activates your account. And that's it. Your Discord account is now successfully created. You can start joining servers, adding friends, customizing your profile, and exploring everything Discord has to offer. If this video helped you learn how to register an account in Discord, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.